All right, guys, welcome to another video. Here I'm going to talk about and compare the Bitcoin chart to the ES futures, and just going to talk through what I see. I just happen to be looking at my phone. I'm like, you know what? This would be good to talk it through on a video. So I'm looking at Bitcoin here. I see we hit our high in April for this rally, right? And ever since then, we've been in this downtrend. Everybody's ignored crypto, a lot of FUD, a lot of regulatory actions from the SEC, right? Nobody wants to touch crypto right now. Well, particularly retail doesn't want to touch crypto. You see a lot of bearishness on the timeline, right? Well, here we are on the NQ, screaming to new highs. It's breaking out into last March's high. Wow. But I digress. I'm not going to go that far in. But what I notice here, Bitcoin hit its high in April. NQ hit it high in April. ES did not hit a high in April, but now it's starting to play catch up, right? After its consolidation. If you're buying the S&P up here, first of all, you're taking a lot of risk, right? I mean, yes, it could be the new bull market. And if you're a long-term investor, this does not apply to you, right? You just continue to DCA and run your strategy, right? But for those that are trying to actively trade the market, and if you're FOMOing in, or even worse, if you're shorting into this, thinking, oh, this can't go higher because of this, because of the macro, because of rates, you're trading wrong. You should really look back at your trading, because this thing can run. We don't know how high it's going to go. You want to wait for it to show us in the price action, right? But anyways, I digress on that. But what I'm looking at here is usually when you hit a high and you're testing a key level, eventually you're going to get another test, right? I mean, yes, it could come at the cost of a drawdown. As you guys know, I farm Uniswap V3 concentrated liquidity pools. And if you're interested, I got a free Discord access in the description below. So you could join up, ask questions, how to minimize impermanent loss, how to use mean reversion, how to group your liquidity pools so they work holistically in your portfolio, all that below, and just kind of, get in there. I'm more active on Discord. It's hard to make videos, but, making this one for you guys. So what I'm seeing here, and usually crypto follows the market, right? Crypto follows tech. When people, I feel like, this is just how markets work, right? When eventually time is just going to heal this, right? I don't know how long it'll be, but I think now is a good time to start watching for entries, right? Look for that maybe capitulation if it comes, to maybe start scaling in, to start buying. I do not think now is the time to be selling or shorting crypto, right? We just had this huge run. I'd say down in this area, between 20K to 23K is a good spot to just start DCAing in and getting a long position. If you're a trader, right? Or even a long-term investor, it's a good spot to buy. I mean, I'm not saying that we cannot go lower, right? There's always that chance, and nobody can predict the market. So trying to predict it and figure out where price is going to go and being very stubborn about it, it doesn't work. You got to be fluid. You got to be dynamic. All right. So I just want to say that I think there's some opportunities in crypto coming really soon, just not right now. If I get a chance and when I see it, I'll put out another video. Subscribe below, turn on your notifications, and that's pretty much it. Thank you. Peace.